Anthony Bandiero here, bringing you another Roadside Chat from the road. I'm in Pearland, Texas, delivering advanced search and seizure today, advanced traffic stops tomorrow, report writing on Wednesday. It's going to be a great week in Texas, one of my favorite places to teach. Don't hold that against me in those other states, but Texas is a special place. The question today is, can officers serve an arrest warrant if the target, the defendant, is at somebody else's home? This is often known as the Stiegel rule, right? In a case called U.S. versus Stiegel, the U.S. Supreme Court found that cops cannot make an arrest, at somebody else's home under an arrest warrant with probable cause and so forth, unless they have some form of consent from the homeowner. They have a recognized exception like exigency, or they have a different warrant for that person's home. And the reason why is that the warrant, the arrest warrant, only gives you judicial approval to go into the defendant's home to serve that arrest warrant, not a third party. So the third party does not lose their rights. So for example, in the case or the example that the officer gave me was, all right, we're at a house, we believe that the target is there, the one with the arrest warrant. The cousin, who's not wanted, opens the door, and the police can see the defendant sitting on the couch. Can the police then push the way past the homeowner to go effectuate that arrest warrant under those facts? And the answer is absolutely not. Even though the cops see the person, it violates the homeowner's rights, right? So when you see cases upholding these type of activities, usually they focus on the defendant, the person with the arrest warrant. They try to sue, or they try to say, I want the search incident to arrest evidence to be suppressed because you shouldn't have even gone into that home. And the courts rightfully say, hey, look, it's not your rights that were violated, it was the homeowner. But the homeowner can turn around and sue. And if the homeowner got injured or something else happened, that can create a lot of liability for police. So if the police see somebody who's wanted at another person's home, the right thing to do is to ask for consent to enter. If they're denied consent, you can try to persuade and say, hey, look, you're harboring a fugitive. Is that what you want? And all these other things. You can try to persuade the person. But if they do not lament and they are, still saying you cannot come in, then the appropriate action, unless you have some other exigency, is to go get a search warrant for that guy's house and go from there. I hope it helped, right? Hope it helped. Keep the questions coming and so forth. We are on the road pretty much every single week for the rest of the year. Hopefully we're coming to a place near you and you can visit us live in person. All right, so hopefully it helps you get it right every single time. Until next time, my friends, see you.